Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 30th, 2024, almost end of the month. And in this newspaper, I've already solved one regular puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the Four Stars Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. And now I will continue with these regular puzzles. News of the day, well, I've heard that the Hamas leader has been killed in Iran by the Israelis, yeah. So the war is still continuing, and not against Hamas in Gaza, but also the Hezbollah, and maybe with Iran. So a lot of war there in the Middle East. Anyway, let me continue. This one will be 8992. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. Well. Actually, a 4-star Sudoku. For 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Alright. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3 fours, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 2 3 sevens, 3 sevens, 3 eights, 3 nines. So the twos are a majority. Can I start with the 2? 2. No. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the third row, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2, no. 2, no. 2, no. 2. Okay, well, cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. There's 7 here. How about 8 in this row? Last row, 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I can continue with 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, okay. 2. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle one, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Now. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. That means we have 1 box left in this column. And the missing number here in this column is the number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. Need the 3 there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and 5. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, no, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need a 7 here. 9. Need a 9 here, 9, 9. Ah, need 9 there. Need 9 here. Okay. 6 there. 5, 5, okay. Think. Need a 4 here. 4 there. 4, 9. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah, 7. And the 7 could be here. Well. 7, 5, 3, and a 9. Need a 5 here. Well, I'm stuck here. 1. Need a 9 there. No 9 here. No, so we have a 9 here, 9 here. In this column, we need a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. So the 9 in the third column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row. So no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I believe we have a pair here. I need a 9 here. I need a 9 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column X, the only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. I think yeah. In this row, we need an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Well, this is reserved for the numbers 3 and 4. Okay, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. These 2 boxes can be an 8 because we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 8 in the first row should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes at there. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, could be there. Okay. Need a 6 here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. Yeah, come on. This is taking too long. 1, 9, 9, 9. 8, 5, and the 7. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the middle row should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8. Let me mark those. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left with a 5 is should be there. Okay. 7 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left is 7 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left is 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 8 should be here then. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, no 7 there, 7 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Then, let me see, here we have 1 and a 6, so these two should be the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this column, middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7, wait, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Here the 1 and the 6 are left in this column. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6 then. 1, 5, 6, and here we have 1 and 6 in this row, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes, and they're finished in 14 minutes, wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku, how could that be? 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, 2 stars, no, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.